Congratulating you for listening to this man. He's wise, he's not misleading you, he's taking you to the top with him. Thank you for that. We're gonna come to you. Last time he snuck there without me, but I'm gonna take him with me next time. All right, we're gonna do it together. I see you at the top. Great job, India. We started all blessed there. We're building technologies there. We're gonna lift up humanity. All right, see you at the very top.
Thank you.
God bless
Thank
you.
you. God bless you.
The biggest, tallest. Okay. So that was the plan, and then every shop in the mall has a sign, digital. It is screening Onpassive. So they made an exception. Okay, daily it will be every 5 minutes. It will be every 5 minutes there would be a view. 12 times an hour. 12 times per hour.
For how
Every
long?
screen there.
ऑलमोस्ट डाउनटाउन टोरंटो में ही है सारा कुछ. आप देख सकते हो इसकी गैलरी है वहाँ पे वो ऊपर, वो भी टॉलेस्ट है. वहाँ से जब लोग बैठ के सारे टोरंटो शहर. Mr. Rupinder, so that I can introduce everybody to him, and he's my first founder.
Yes.